Good morning everyone. Welcome to Irvine College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are studying for welding. What is welding? A fabrication of a or scrap-weld process that joins material, usually metals, to become one. Welding. The welding is a process of joining two or more similar dissimilar materials by heating them to a suitable temperature with or without the application of pressure, filler material and flux. Welding is used for making permanent joint. Classification of welding process: gas welding, oxyacetylene, arc welding, metal arc, resistance welding, solid state welding, thermochemical welding, low temperature welding. Gas welding: advantage and disadvantage: control of temperature, low cost, general portal, maintenance is cost is low, gas flame low, time of heat, more safety problem during handling, filtered material, flame is irrigation, the eye, nose, throat, lungs, and application joining the materials usually in automobiles and aircrafts. Arc welding. Arc welding is a fusion welding process in which the heat required to fuse the metals is obtained from the electrical material between the bases of metal and electrode types. Metal arc welding, submerged arc welding, tungsten insert gas welding, metal insert gas welding. Arc welding. Factors of weld to has proper penetration, correct electrode, correct arc length, correct current, correct travel speed, correct electrode angle. Arc welding variables: factors require as well as proper penetration, correct, then advantages of portable or most visible process, better control and temperature, suitable and weld dissimilar materials, low cost, maintenance. Disadvantages: not suitable for heavy section, less working temperature for gas flame, slow rate of heating. Then thank you for watching my video.